Hello, we're back with week 6 of the Hoothoot Draft Association. So I'm Andrew, or Roundy, coach of Stavola City Sweethearts, and we're playing Brian this week. Brian's another friend from Indianapolis. He and I both run rain teams for most of the past year, and we're both running rain teams in the league. I'd say Brian's team is probably the most top-heavy team in the league. Has Landorus, Tornadus, and Urshifu, which is just a crazy, crazy combo. So yeah, most of my prep's just going to be how do I handle that, especially the Urshifu, um, as well as there's some interesting support options like Gallade, Brute Bonnet. Kingdra is also really scary in the rain, and Duraludon's pretty annoying. It acts way more stats than you probably remember. So yeah, kind of we're gonna be kind of funny this time. We're running a Sun team and a Rain team. We're the Serapolis City Sweethearts. We have Kyogre and Groudon, in the logo. So it only felt fitting that we do this at least one week. So yeah, Murkrow, Sunny Day, and Rain Dance. And on the Rain side, we have some pretty normal guys. We have Basculegion, um, just Assault Vest because it already takes Urshifu's attacks, stab attacks pretty well anyway. So I just want the Assault Vest to better handle Landorus, take Bleak Winds easy. Should be able to take attacks from Duraludon and Kingdra as well, and then just fire back with just our standard moves. Thinking if I want Flip Turn or something silly on this last one, but I don't know where I'm going to go with that. We also have our Caledon. Not much to say about it. Our Caledon's probably the least likely Pokemon to get brought this week. Um, but yeah, with its Electric Shot and Dragon moves, after one of those, it can one-shot Landorus, trade with it well. Oh wait, this needs to be sturdy. And then yeah, with the Power Herb and Sun, it can take on Tornurse pretty well. Um, and then for the Sun mode, which I think is mostly what I'm going to lean into, we have Murkrow and then Tornadus T with the Weather Ball, which isn't going to be its primary mode of attack. Really, just Thundurus wants the Sun because with the Terra Fairy, it's going to take on Kingdra very well. It's going to take on Urshifu very well. Landorus is annoying, but if we do lead off against Landorus, we just set the rain and Weather Ball it. So yeah, Tornado, I mean, Thundurus, all the genies are getting brought to this one. But yeah, Thundurus should have a lot of fun options this game. And an even more fun option is attack, booster energy, Iron Leaves, egg engines, back again. Um, and this time it's back in the Solar Blade. Yeah, so I think if this guy gets a lot against Kingdra or just Sun is up and he's in the back, Solar Blade just going to be one-shotting things. I already have Psyblade, which matches up pretty well into this team. Pretty much hits everything except Overquill, Gallade, or no, it does hit Gallade. Overquill and Brubon are the only things that really like taking that, and all of them get blown up by close combat. So yeah, Psyblade's just our standard 2-hit KOs everything move, and then Solar Blade is our 1-hit KO if we have the Sun Up move. So that's how I'm justifying putting it on the team. Electric, just an annoying defensive Terra for Tornadus. And we have a support Clefairy. I think Clefairy slots in well with a lot of these modes. I think with the Sun mode, it's probably going to be Murkrow, Thundy, Clefairy, Iron Leaves. With the Rain mode, it's probably going to be Murkrow, Thundy, Mask, Clefairy, or Caledon, and Iron Leaves will just be kind of bench options. So yeah, I think this team has a lot of fun options. It's really just all about not getting blown up by Urshifu. Iron Leaves is kind of scared of that U-turn, but whilst it stabs. But with the Sun Up, we should be able to handle it. And Landorus also hopefully misses some Sandseers. But yeah, I'm looking forward to my match with Brian. Should be a lot of fun. Fun fact: he had Typhlosion on his team earlier, which when I was thinking about this matchup weeks in advance, I was kind of like scared. Do I really want to do Sunny Day on a team that has Typhlosion? But yeah, he traded that for Kingdra. I kind of want Kingdra on this team. I might have to add Seadra to the team. We'll see about that. But yeah, that's enough talk for now. The match should be starting for you in a few seconds. Gonna play Austin, or that was the last name I read, Brian. Should be fun. I'll explain the team as we go. Currently changing terrace. Yeah, just waiting on Terra exchange stuff. Okay, we got Steel Urshifu, Bug Bonnet, Steel Landorus, Dragon Tornadus, Dark Polytoad, and Stellar Kingdom. That's one of my nicknames this week. I think I'm just gonna go with my original plan. Use these two. Mask Illusion doesn't look particularly overwhelming into them. I think I might try these two in the back. Debating if I want Clef or Bask. I think Clef supports Bask better. But I do think this team's vulnerable to Egg Engine, so we'll try this first. Sorry for anybody having to sit through ads during this. Okay, two electric moves, I'm not happy about that. Thing is though, I think I matched Tailwind this turn. Just rip Wild Bolt. It is raining, right? What is happening with the camera? Okay. What is the camera doing? Yeah, Polytoad's dark and Land, what's his face? Landers are probably coming out, I assume. Okay. Our accurate Wild Bolt. I'm wondering if this is like a slash. Oh, it doesn't KO. That's a bulky Torn. What do I want to do here? Do I want to double switch? I don't think I do. Maybe I should have brought Bask for this. Game audio to the left. Looks like long time. Should take time. Yeah. Okay, Urshifu is... we know all their bonds at least. Steel. And yeah, I don't think there's any use in tearing, so... Landorus is also steel. Yeah, I think based on these tears I should have brought Bask. Oh, we'll see. This isn't that bad. Yeah, I just want, if Urshifu's Scarfed, it shouldn't be fast. Okay, so Urshifu's probably not Scarfed. And as long as I didn't do U-turn or something, this isn't the worst spot. Okay, that's fine. think Leaves should outspeed Urshifu as long as it's what's the word I'm looking for? If it's not Scarfed, I'm pretty sure I trained outspeed. Yeah, Scarf on the Ursh though could be pretty bad. Or really any Terra on either one of these is going to be pretty annoying. I feel like the Ursh is going to Terra if anything. Oh, they're fat. Oh, they're Scarf. Okay. Yeah, I think that's game then. That's good knowledge though. Okay, they don't know I'm Scarf too. Okay, so yeah, don't think Leaves is the play in this one. We didn't reveal much, at least. That's also the other pro. But yeah, Torn Living also not a fan of that. Oh, they're gonna see Rocky Helmet. But yeah, Scarf's really maybe it wasn't the play, because yeah, not being able to play around land is annoying. Should have changed the music. Yeah, with this mode, I don't think Archaludon comes at all, despite the funny nickname. Maybe I bring these two instead. I'm debating if I want Clefairy. So I think I should, if it's Scarf Lando, I should be able to take a Sludge Bomb and then KO something back, so... Hoping I don't regret this. It's just annoying to pivot without Clefairy, but... I don't think it's the end of the world. Do you think I am weak to Kingdra with this mode? Yeah, also, I guess, like, Lando can't... If it locks Earth Power and then, like, Thunderous is a dead slot for it, and both my guys are dead slots for it, so I think if we just play around Lando, kind of treat it like a Marion or whatever, we should be able to do this. Yeah, I'm just worried about Kingdra showing up. I should have taken Kingdra. Yeah, I don't think Shadow Ball's killing, so I think just Muddy Water here. Probably my best bet. Nah, I think getting the damage on it early is better. They went with Bleak Wind? Is that AV? Oh, damn, that's annoying. Okay, well, I take it at least. But... okay, that's enough damage on Ursh that I don't think I have to worry too much. Don't have to worry about Sash at least. I think that's AV Ursh though. Yeah, the fact they have U-turn as well. Probably another sign of AV. Do I want to give up my good typing? I guess, yeah, this is fine. Because I can always just use Rain to amplify my speed. I'm hoping this double KOs, because, yeah, I should be hitting Torn unless it has Protect. And I don't think, like, they can put What's-His-Face to sleep, Murkrow, Ladybird. Okay, they get a delayed Tailwind. We get to choose the weather at least. I think I live another one of those. Oh my god, is it gonna live? Please. Okay, thank you, Murkrow. I think getting damage on this guy is more important. So Leaves can finish him off. I just wonder if I'm gonna regret not choosing a weather. I'm expecting U-turn to come out from Hirsch. I didn't even look at what Terra Bug is. Okay, it's Ursh. That's fine. We don't really have to play the what Terra type is this guy gonna do game when Bonnet's on the field, or what's the name I'm looking for? Egg Engines, yeah, Iron Leaves. Yeah, we only have one turn of Tailwind left. Okay, that's a good move. I still have my Terra as well. Do I want to? Do I Terra to like live the Sucker Punch? That's the question. Actually, yeah, I think I found the best. So Volt Switch, what if they go into Torn though? This is so annoying. Or Lando, because I think Lando's in the back. Yeah, I think I just have to call Lando coming in. Oh, yeah, okay, I just get... Hey, make the decision for me. Yeah, if this is U-turn, I'm cooked. Okay, this is okay. Yeah, they have tail in this turn. I don't like that. I just have to hope they go for U-turn. But yeah, I think if they just double this slot, then I'm screwed. Okay, that's good. Oh, Polytoad. Okay, that's amazing. I just think I need. Wait, did I? Oh, I teared Bask. I'm stupid. I thought I had Terra this whole time. Huh. I think I want to screw over Polytoad and just start clicking this Wild Bolt button. I got 3 turns sleep. Oh my god. Please kill Polytoad. Yeah, I'm like, if they don't have an ice move, that might be all I need to win. I doubt it. Because yeah, if they have Icy Wind or really anything, I think I'm cooked. I should have had a bug move. Yeah. Yeah, Choice Scarf was not good for looking at a 3. Oh, there's a chance. Oh, no, there's no chance. Yeah, I don't know. I guess Mega Horn wouldn't get this Ursh. But they probably have Aqua Jet too. We'll see. Oh, oh. If this isn't Aqua Jet, I think we're in this. Oh, it's Aqua Jet. Okay, yeah, GG's, Brian. The items were really annoying, and that's our first loss of the season, so we're 5-1 now. I'm just sad I didn't get to click Sunny Day or Solar Blade. But yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. GG's to Brian, and hopefully we don't lose next week.